add my page C. Up at the top, I'm going to go to custom layout again, and I'm going to paste everything again. This is page C. Update. We just walked through the north-facing door, so I need to change this to north-facing door. Update the preview and save. Let's test it out. Let's go back to here, start the adventure. All right, so open the south-facing door. You just walked through the south-facing door. And if we go back, and if I change my south to north, there we go. You just walked through the north-facing door. So it totally worked. Sometimes it takes a bit of time for Tumblr to save out all the changes. All right, and that's what you need to build. There's a few other things that are going to make it a little bit more interesting. Inside my code for the C, I need to change the question. So you just walk through the north-facing door. So what happens? You meet a wizard. Magical items. Which do you choose? So they're going to input one or the other. They can choose jar or duke. We're looking for the word choose or select. What if they use the word choose or they use the word select? Well, I guess they could use the word pick too. And these are all supposed to be capitalized. Includes choose, select, or pick, and it has the word jar in it. I need to put those three things, those three or things, in brackets because I'm not looking at must include pick and the word jar. We want to say it's this or this or this and the jar. My or choices all have to be together inside a bracket. If they say that, then they're picking the jar. You wrote pick the jar. If they wrote the same things but for the toque, take the toque. If you pick jar, let's go to page A, B, C, D. And if you pick toque, we're going to go to E. Let's copy all of this information, update and save. I'm going to copy all that, go back. On page B, you went through the south-facing door. What happens there? We have to work on that story. You just went through the south-facing door. You find a pond. In the pond, there is a frog. A really gross looking frog. The frog speaks. It says, I am an enchanted prince. Give me a smooch. I will turn into a prince. What do you do? For this one, you could kiss the frog. Same thing. I could have different words that could mean kiss the frog or kiss. I'm just going to copy that. Kiss. Or, and these two bars, it's found just above the return key, shift and that. That's the or, the logical or. So kiss, smooch, and frog. And then the other choice would be, yeah, but what if you wrote don't kiss the frog? Then it would assume that you're saying kiss the frog. So we want to make sure that the word don't is not in there and does not contain don't. So how do we write that? Instead of answer includes, I'm going to put that in brackets, don't. To say doesn't include, I'm going to put a not in front, like an exclamation point. So that says does not include, not answer dot include, don't. How about does not include, doesn't. So I'm going to put a little don't or doesn't. Do not. What if you misspelled don't? Now, I'm not going to cover every possible misspelling, but the most common one, just without the apostrophe. Not that I want to encourage misspelling or anything. You wrote kiss the frog, or else, yeah, don't kiss the frog. How about we just look for don't and do not? Oops, I have two ors here. Else, if the answer includes don't or do not or don't, then you wrote don't kiss the frog. A, B, C, D, E. This one goes to F and this one goes to G. So we've got to make a lot of pages. Oops, cancel. Update, preview, save. I'm going to select all of that. Let's go back to the A1. Select all that. Copy. And let's go save. Always press save before exiting. And then I'm going to add pages. So we've got to add standard custom layout, page AB, page ABCD. Paste in some code. This is page D. Update, preview, save. Let's go back. Let's make a new page. Let's make page E. Custom layout, paste, page E, update, preview, and save. So you're going to do that until you get through a whole bunch of pages, a whole bunch of choices, and then you're going to bring the story to an end. In each page you have 2 choices. You end up with, let's say you're going through 5 different groups rooms. So that's 2 to the 5 choices. So that's 32 different pages you'd have to have. Maybe 2 to the 5 is too many. 2 to the 4 is 16. That's fine. 16 pages is fine. 32 pages, that's too much. You want to have about 16 different pages, and each page, except for the last ones, 8. In your 8 last pages, you would have 8 endings to your story. So 8 different conclusions. Build that and have fun. And I should show you how to do a little bit of CSS as well. Have a good day.